Jonathan here with Central Sound to show you how to replace the ear pad cushions in your Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. We have the ear pads with the toolkit available to order. First thing you want to do is stick this pry piece in the bottom part of the ear cup. You want to pry away from the ear cup. You should hear some clicks, and that's how you know it's unsnapping. Next thing you want to do is remove this fabric piece, and there'll be some adhesive that is still stuck to the inner ear cup, and that's very easy to remove. You just grab that tool and scrape that adhesive off. It shouldn't take very long. It comes off pretty easily. Once the adhesive is removed, then you can apply the new fabric mat, and you just peel off the backing here. It's double-sided tape, and once you have the backings removed, you can apply this fabric piece where it belongs. Take your time, line it up. It's important to make sure there's no fabric sticking out. It'll make it hard to put the ear pad on. Make sure it's flat, push down where the adhesive is, and it's secure. And once it is, you line up the clips and simply apply the ear pad onto the ear cup, and then just apply some pressure all the way around. You should hear some snaps and some clicks. Just keep applying pressure until you stop hearing the snaps, and then once you do, it should be fully installed. You can order this kit from us at centralsound.co.